DGCA Update, Registration of Non-Type Certified Drones Explained. We're breaking down a major update from DGCA concerning the registration of non-type certified drones in India. This update is crucial for everyone in the drone community, from pilots and manufacturers to startups and researchers. Let's understand what this change entails. DGCA has temporarily suspended the registration of non-TC drones. This action was taken due to observations of false declarations during the registration process under the Drone Rules 2021. This suspension means the usual online registration process for non-TC drones is unavailable. This is highly relevant for drone pilots, manufacturers, startups, and researchers in India. However, DGCA has provided a limited exception to continue certain non-TC drone activities under strict conditions. The exception applies exclusively to locally manufactured non-type certified drones that fall under the nano or model categories, as defined by Rule 13 of the Drone Rules. These eligible drones must be used strictly for research and development purposes or other non-commercial activities. Crucially, imported drones, commercially operated drones, or drones intended for service delivery are not covered by this exception. With the online portal suspended, a new controlled application process has been introduced for eligible applicants. Registration is no longer through the online system. Eligible applicants must now submit their application directly to DGCA via a designated email channel. Applicants must provide basic information including their EGCA ID, the intended use of the drone, and whether the drone has real-time tracking and geofencing capabilities. You must clearly declare if the drone is manufactured in India. If it's imported, the country of origin and valid import authorization from DGFT must be included. Along with the application details, several essential documents must be attached for a successful submission. Mandatory documents include the technical specifications of the drone as outlined in Form D1 and a weight certificate from a NABL-accredited laboratory. You must submit details of the manufacturer's serial number, flight controller module, and remote system details, plus clear photographs of the drone showing the front view, top view, and the manufacturer's serial number clearly visible. Copy of import authorization issued by DGFT, and copy of bill in cases where the drone is not manufactured in India. For imported drones, copies of the DGFT import authorization and all relevant purchase documents are mandatory. Applicants must submit a declaration confirming key responsibilities and compliance measures to ensure safe and legal operation. This includes confirming the drone will not be used for commercial activities and that all flights will be conducted strictly within the visual line of sight and designated green zone areas. For R&D drones, applicants must submit periodic activity reports as directed by DGCA. Immediate reporting is required for any accident or incident involving the drone. Finally, applicants must commit to initiating the type certification process for the submitted drone model if any future commercial operations are planned. To summarize, registration for non-TC drones is suspended, but a controlled pathway exists for Indian-manufactured R&D drones. Compliance, transparency, and proper documentation are essential. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Fly safe, fly smart.